Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Animals World. Welcome to Animal Wallpapers. We are bringing the beauty of animal kingdom to your screens. Today we are going to take a look at some stunning animal wallpapers that will brighten up your day. First up, we have this beautiful wallpaper of animals, tigers, and other animals, the most majestic creatures of the planet, and this wallpaper really captures their beauty. We have this adorable wallpaper of beautiful cats who can resist those big floppy ears, and these wallpapers are not only beautiful, but they also serve as a reminder of the importance of conversation. Many of these animals are endangered, and it's up to us to protect them and their habits. The YouTube channel Animal World is dedicated to bringing the beauty of the animal kingdom to screen everywhere. Through a collection of stunning animal wallpapers, the channel aims to provide viewers with a daily dose of nature majesty. From tigers in the jungle to baby elephants with their big floppy ears and other animals, the wallpapers not only brighten but also serve as a reminder of the importance of conservation. Many of these animals are endangered, and by downloading these wallpapers, viewers can show their support for animal conservation and spread awareness of these magnificent features and creatures. The channel is a perfect destination for anyone who loves animal and want to bring a little bit of the world into their everyday lives. For others informative and beautiful videos, for subscribe our channel. Thanks.